What is the store? This one.
No.
Your drawing is too pangit. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. It's beautiful. It's pretty. It's pretty. Your drawing is so pretty. Let me see. Okay. Oh boy, it's so beautiful.
Why are you laughing?
Because it looks funny.
I told you.
No, I'm just kidding. Guwapo kayo.
But
Guwapo.
you keep on laughing.
No.
So I have to fix
Oh, I'm going to cry. I'm going to cry. What's in there? What's up, money? Huh?
Did you already look? What's inside?
Okay, open it for me. Okay, put it there. Unsa man na siya? Unsa ni? Unsa man ni?
It's a map.
It's a map. Explain it to me. I don't understand your map. Unsa na siya?
Find the X.
Find the X. Why would I find the X?
You just need to find the X.
What is X?
Find the X.
It stands for what?
Find the X for X marks the spot.
This one. Hugaw si mukuko eh. Ano hugaw makagkuko? Ha makagikan?
Now find all the squares.
All the squares. Why should I find? I'm tired today. This one.
One.
Is this square?
No, like all the little squares like these.
Oh, this,
Yeah. Two.
this,
Yeah.
this,
Yeah.
this one.
No, those are not the ones.
Those ones are squares. See, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, but only little ones like these.
Like what?
One more. One more you need to find.
You need 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. You missed this one.
Yes.
I forgot to tell you one little touch.
One little touch. What kind of touch is that?
Can you figure out what... Wait.
Wait, hugaw lagi na mong kuko. Naon sa day ka? Naon sa imong gibuhat rong adlaw?
That's nothing. Wait. Can you figure out what is the store? What's this?
So, i-figure out na kung unsa ang tindahan, unsang tindahan di ay.
What you have to figure out what is the store?
What is the store or where is the store you mean?
Yeah. No, what is the store? What is the store?
Why is what?
Because you need to figure out what is the store.
What is the store or where is the store?
What is the store?
Why is it what? Nganong dili man where?
Because if you do where, you're gonna do like where it goes.
Ah, okay.
So what is the store?
What is the store? This one.
No.
Your drawing is too pangit. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. It's beautiful. It's pretty. It's pretty. Your drawing is so pretty. Let me see. so beautiful. Asa naman taron? Sige na, gwapa man imong drawing. Gwapa imong drawing. Oy, sama ka gwapa nimo.
Wait, I'm
Yeah.
gonna fix it, okay?
Imo man kung gikrampol na imong drawing. Ngano gikrampol po di may imong drawing pod?
So you wanna see what's inside?
Then why are you showing it to me now? Huh?
Because now it's time for me to show you.
Stilan.
Okay, I'll show you how you will draw a car.
Unsa ba imong jud imo ipakita sa ako gyud karong panahon na, Kels?
And then one circle and another circle.
Ano na imong drawing di ay?
Gonna draw a car.
A car?
Mm-hmm.
Usang klase man nga car? Tarak-tarak? Tarak-tarak na imong drawing di ay? Unsa na?
This way.
Putla ko na sa natin mga kukubi. Dirty kayo mong kukukilsi. I don't like
We
it.
still have to figure out what is this store.
What is the store?
Mm-hmm.
Asa ang... What?
What is the store?
What is the store? I don't understand the question.
What is the store?
Nganong what man?
If it was superstore, you say I think it's superstore.
Ah,
Like
okay.
that.
Okay. Okay. What is the... It's a pharmacy.
No.
No, because see, look, there's a temperature.
What?
It looks like temperature there. There's hot and cold. So what is that? That's pangtusok. You're gonna go there to get a vaccine.
No, that's a brush.
Huh?
That's a brush and a comb.
Oh, a brush din na. Mura mabutsag butiti. So many mo drawing. Ay. Okay. Usa man ni McDonald's.
Yeah.
Right? Oh my gosh. Usa man ni
That's your hint.
Okay, so this is the road to the store.
Mm-hmm.
This is the road to store na. Unsa man ni siya nga lugar? Mo na imong balay.
Yeah.
Wait, ay binal katira sa natin mong kukubi kay hugaw kaayo.
No, figure out what it is first. Like
That's
what is this-
Walmart.
Oh, you got it right.
That's Walmart, right?
Yes, you got it right.
So now let's cut your nail. Let's cut your nails because it's really dirty.
Now you need to find
Uy,
the numbers.
basta hugaw kay kuko. Bitukon ba ya? Kaila kag bitok? Kaila kag bitok? Ha?
Where are the numbers?
But kaila kag bitok, Kelsey? Kanang magkitiw-kitiw sa imong lubot. Nails. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Nothing.
Wanna lay with me? I'm going to take a nap, okay?